Well, welcome back, DIY car guys and car girls. You're probably asking yourself, where in the hell has this guy been? Well, I've been pretty busy at work for one thing, and second of all, I kind of had a little problem with the puppy. She tore up her other knee, so we had to get surgery on that. So that money that was supposed to go in this guy right here is now under her. So this project has been delayed, but don't worry, we're still gonna get back to it eventually. So I'm gonna have to be a little more creative with content. We're going to the track more. But as far as this guy right here, you know, with the economy and everything that's going on, of course, you guys know, if you're not, living under a rock, or if you're not watching news thinking everything is hunky-dory, you know that the economy at any moment this year could take a big, serious dump. So spending money frugalously is probably not the best idea. So I'm gonna let some money stack up before I have to do a couple of things. I still have to send this blower right here. This blower right here has to go back to Vortec. Gonna have it rebuilt. Still have to get a pump. But I did get one thing. Let me show you real quick. Jeez, yes, I did get a grid. I'm also gonna get the power grid because I really want this setup. All the things I didn't do in the past where I skipped money, with this setup, I'm just gonna do the whole buy once, cry once. So I have the grid, and then I'll have the power grid, which is coming next. So you know, this stuff ain't cheap. It just keeps on stacking up. So with that extra funds that I had at one point now being gone, I have to be careful with the way I spend my money. So the plan with the grid is I'm going to eventually, we're first going to tune it with just a regular wideband that I got, the one that I put the camera on. And then what I want to do, I want to get the Holley wideband. I want to put one on the left and the right eventually. So that way we're logging. It'll be able to log air fuel on the left and right. The only thing the grid won't do after I talk to Holley, it won't log IETs, but I want to get a boost, a map for it. And then the map can actually log boost. I want to be able to log air fuel, I want to log boost. And of course, timing, it's going to be all through the grid, and it's going to pull it based off of boost. So we can see exactly where it's at, make our own maps, tune in the carburetor. So eventually, once we get it all together, I think it'll be like very useful information. Cause I'm going to go over the grid, everything within it, like really detailed tutorials like I do like for my computer stuff. Because also, I know a lot of you guys aren't going to care, but I'm going to start doing a little more Blender tutorials in the meantime to kind of keep the algorithm kind of pinging my channel. I know a lot of you guys tuning here for car stuff don't really care, but some of my videos have actually done pretty good in the Blender stuff. They usually start off really slow and then they kind of take off and they continue to get views because they're more of an evergreen type video. I learned that in advertising, by the way. So yeah, that's what we got going on. And I know a lot of you other guys, small channels like me, are feeling the squeeze with all this inflation because nothing is getting cheaper. The economy is just getting worse. And I hate to say that, but I don't know, we're in for a ride. But I'm going to keep doing what I can do when I can do it with the small little money I got, because that's what I do on my channel. So subscribe, and we'll get back on this. I'll be bringing more content out the track, of course. Until next time, peace.